This is the GoldenEdge. The GoldenEdge, 6 3/4 length from tip to tip. Is a 1/2 inch cut. It's 1/2 inch. Let's put this bad boy on. Well, shoot. So it looks like we got ourselves a problem. I have these little nylon washers that I used for speaker systems. So I'm gonna have that, and then I have this marked, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pretty much take the grinder out, grind it down to the exact read, so this will actually have a little bit of a washer in it. Nylon over time will wear out, but since this is going to be locked into place, there shouldn't be that much play to where it'll mess things up. Plus everything's going to be compact together, so this should work, and we're going to find out. Instead of trying to hold it, you can always just put it in there and lightly put it on. Since this is nylon, it'll grip to this rubber really well. Boom. Like a champ. All right, now I just need to wear this thing down on size. All right, fits like a champ. Look at, there it is, right there. Doesn't need to be pretty, just needs to work. Hammer, I got a little hammer here for the kids, but I use it. I'm keeping that in. Yep, so that slides in. Now let's check this bad boy out. Who wants to think this thing's gonna fit like a glove? Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Some here. I just think the blade's too small. Size-wise, I think it should be about 1 inch bigger. Looks good if I do it on the other side, so I get lower in the ground instead of being on the cement itself. I think it'll look good, but I think the size, is about 1 inch too short for a walk behind. Anyways. All right, so I was actually wrong. I use a 9-inch blade, and what that one is 6 3/4. So it's a significant difference. I'm gonna keep playing around with it, see what it does. I'm not sure. Anyways, that's it, bye.